Okay guys, I thought I'd show you today how to pull these head plugs out without pulling the valve cover off. So, I'm going to use a punch, a hammer. I'm going to tip the plug. See, we've tipped it back. Grab it with the pry bar. So we just hit at the very top to rock it, and then we pry it. A little oil on the seal. It's a pretty close fit. Done. Put the head on.